Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Dam and Plan video. Again in the Lake District, pretty much a Lake District only channel at this point. It's only because the lodges, which I'll show you when we get back, are such good prices right now. We've been so many times. Today we're at Aria Force waterfall and we're just trying to find which way. So Pine Tongue Path and waterfall is this way, so we'll head up. Come and join us. It is cold today, February the 8th. Look at this. Feel free to borrow anything you may need for your adventure and return to the waterfall. Little wellies. You cold, pal?
I'm not too bad because we're walking, but my nose is running.
Look at this. Nice little benches carved out of the wood.
Seats for little people.
Little benches. Felled trees. Oh, the smell of that is amazing. Some kind of sacrificial stone circle over
Smells
here.
like body death. Look at these skinny trees. They're like spiders.
Skinny trees.
Skinny spider trees.
We're just crossing this bridge. We're coming to the underside of the waterfall so you can see it from above, from below. You know what I mean? Who wants to be looking down at a waterfall? You want to be looking up at it. Look at this tree. Wow. Look at it. It's quite a drop from over the edge, man. No kind of handrails, just straight into the water. Look. Right, on with the walk. Coming down these steps, and this must be the waterfall on this corner here. Look how clear the water is there. Right, we've seen the waterfall now. We're just going to head back towards the start of this path and see if we can pick up a walk round Ullswater or something. Just because obviously we paid for 2 hours in this car park, which was £6. So we may as well get the most of it. There is toilets, there's Wi-Fi at the little welcome building if you need it to pay for your parking, because it is correct change only. The water, the wellies I showed you. It's a nice little place, but unless you go like up the top walk, it's not really that long. I wouldn't pay for a day's parking here, which I think is £9. I don't know how you'd fill your day unless you like going using this as a starting point and going for a long walk. Right, we've finished our walk. We're going to have a little look in this tea room, see if they've got like a little cheese toastie we can share. Here it is. Just off the car park. Right, they had nothing that would get, so just got a little latte just to perk me up a little. Now we're off somewhere else. Right, we're just back at the lodge now. Pam's just doing some grilled cheese sandwiches. And then we're going to pop back out, nip to the shops and things, and then pick a little Chinese up for our tea. Here's the grilled cheese. Fantastic. And we're just chilling, watching the TV for a little. Right, we're back in the lodge. Just got the TV on. Chinese, Szechuan crispy chicken, chicken fried rice, chips, and curry sauce. Beautiful. So now we're just gonna chill, cheeky glass of red wine, and I'll show you around the lodge after this.